In this lesson, we will learn about what is storage and the types of storage. It is very important to know about the storage when you play a lot with the virtual machines to ensure performance and availability. In IT, storage refers to any technology or devices used to save digital information for future use, like your USB or hard disk can be considered as a storage. It is the foundation for running applications, storing user files, operating system, and critical business data. So without a reliable storage, system would not function and businesses could face catastrophic data loss. Storage ensures availability, durability, and performance for everything from your personal documents to massive enterprise database. We categorize storage into two main types, and it is very easy to understand: primary storage and secondary storage. So primary storage is like RAM and CPU cache, which provide ultra fast temporary storage, but it's volatile, meaning it loses the data when powered off. So whatever you stored in the RAM, the memory that consumed by your applications while your application is running is mostly RAM. So these RAM data are volatile, meaning it loses data when powered off. The secondary storage, on the other hand, is designed for long-term data retention. So hard drives, SSDs, network drives, those they store data persistently even during the power loss. So in server environments, secondary storage becomes even more critical for retaining important business applications and records. Now let's dive deeper into the three main categories of secondary storage used in businesses and data center. Direct attached storage. This storage that is physically attached to a server or a computer. So here I have a Dell server and you can see it have a lot of hard disk. This can be called as a direct attached storage. So the operating system will be running here. In this, it will have a CPU, network card, everything, and also the hard disk. The local hard disk is what we call as direct attached storage. So this is the physically attached storage directly to the server, and it is simple, fast, and inexpensive. But this is not ideal for sharing across multiple servers. The other type of storage is network storage. So in a network storage, you will have a standalone storage device with a lot of disk on it, and it will have a network card here. This will be connected over a switch to the server, and the same can be shared to other servers also. Okay, so with one device, multiple users or servers can connect to a NAS to share files easily. It is perfect for a medium scale file sharing environment like small businesses, but this is not the ideal solution when you run the virtual machines. And there it comes the importance of a storage area networking, that is SAN. It is an enterprise grade solution. So you buy a enterprise level storage, and which will have a special dedicated storage controller, cache, and a lot of additional items that improve the performance. And let's assume that you have a lot of servers, like 5 or 6 servers, and all these servers will be connected to this storage, and this will be connected between using some kind of switches. If it is a fiber channel storage, then this will be connected using fiber switch, which provide higher performance. If it is using iSCSI type storages, then this can be done using a network switch. So SAN is an enterprise grade solution. It connects storage devices over high speed network, often using the fiber channel, or it can be using the iSCSI to provide a block level storage. So that exactly looks like a local disk to your server. So let's assume that you created a C drive here, then the D drive can be from this storage area network and it can be consumed as your local disk. Some of the real world examples to make it easy to understand. So direct access storage could be the external hard drive or internal RAID. This can be considered as a direct attached storage like the USB hard disk that you connect. Then network attached storage, the common one we see Synology or QNAP, which you connect to the Ethernet and you access the folders. Then SAN, the solutions that like Dell EMC or HP 3PAR or these are the enterprise class storage systems that connect to many servers through fiber channel or SCSI protocol for high performance and availability. Now let's talk about the benefits of a centralized storage. So centralized storage brings major benefits to IT infrastructures. Instead of managing dozens of disks across servers individually, admins can manage storage in one place. So it makes easier to allocate, grow and protect data. It also supports high availability, meaning if one server fails, another can access the same storage. So let's summarize what we have learned. We discussed about the storage is the foundation of IT. We explored different type of storage, that is a direct attached storage, network attached storage and SAN storage, each suited for different needs. And finally, all this gives us a flexible and powerful way to create a shared storage using just the network infrastructure for clustering and migration. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.